Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to embellish our pages, but I'm going to kind of divide some things up here. So I've got 6 of the tea dyed pages. So I'm going to take 3 of them, mix them with 2 of the cardstock pages, and then the other 3 mix them with the other 2 cardstock pages. And I went ahead and cut out all the postcards, and I've got all my scrap pieces here. Because I just might want to use those as part of the page layouts. So there's 6 of them on that one sheet, and I'm just kind of figuring out, which 3 I want to go in each signature. So, and I think to kind of make it flow pretty good, I think I'll have the, kind of the opposite in each signature. So you're getting a little bit of the same thing in each signature. And then I'm going to be using some of the stuff from the fabric and lace bundle and the ephemera bundle. So we've got some cards and envelopes, these cute little fabric appliques. So I went ahead and cut my fabric into some strips, and I'm going to be sewing them onto the tea dyed pages. So I went ahead and sewed them, and usually what I do on the one side of the sheet, I do the same on the other side. It just takes the brain work out of it for me, and just kind of doing the same thing, but it keeps a consistent flow because, of course, the pages, you're going to have them in the signatures, and, I just really like how it all is. So I went ahead and sewed some pockets onto the cardstock. I really like doing the pockets on the cardstock because, it's a sturdier piece of paper, and, I just feel like it holds up better. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the extras off on each side of this particular one. So I've got this card here from the ephemera bundle, and I'm just going to embellish this card. So I'm going to do some stamping and just take one of the book pages and just kind of tear it up, glue it down. I think I'm going to take one of the little coin envelopes, glue it down over the words, just to kind of cover that up. And and then it'll also be a great little tuck spot because you can fit something in that envelope. So to add the final touch to this layout here, I'm taking the little ladybug fabric applique, putting it on this little bubble pin, and I'm just going to pin it to the page through the little fabric flip here. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This is it for now. If there's anything you would like to see in the next couple of tutorials, let me know. This is our last series of tutorials. So just let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much for watching.